Now that we have an insight in the various types or different kinds of formal letters, okay, let's move on to the informal now. The informal, there's only one type, but we are going to see the first one, a letter to a friend. So here, to a friend, we don't say salutation, okay? We always say, call it a greeting. It's generally a hi or a hello. Okay, so this is my question. Your friend will be staying at your home, but you cannot be there with him because of some reasons. Write a letter in which you explain. So you're going to write a letter and you're going to say him how he can get the keys, how to use the electrical appliances, and recommend some interesting places to visit. Okay? So I'm going to start with the greeting. Hi, hello, or dear is also an informal way of addressing a friend. Okay? Hi there. I hope your tour will be safe and enjoyable. First, you are greeting him. It's unfortunate that I won't meet you at my home, but don't worry, I've made all arrangements. Next, you're excusing yourself because you were unable to stay at home to receive him. First, when you arrive, go to flat number 205. Mr. Thomas, who is my neighbor, will give you the keys to my flat. So you're giving him the details of the person who he is supposed to contact. He might ask you to call me for confirmation. Please cooperate with him. Okay? So you're just requesting him to cooperate because Mr. Thomas would want to cross-check if you're the right person. So you need to request him to cooperate with him. Next, you're going to give instructions, further instructions that are required once the key has been collected. When you enter the flat, put on the main switch, which is in the box right over the front door. There's a microwave, a washing machine, a water heater, a television, and a refrigerator in my home. I've written operating instructions on a piece of paper and pasted it near the respective appliance so that you can operate them easily. So all the instructions regarding the things and the appliances is being mentioned here. Once you get yourself set, okay, next you're going to give him some recommendations. Once you get yourself set, call a taxi to move around in the city. You just don't want your friend to get bored, okay? So to kill his boredom, if I were with you, I'd have shown some interesting places like the riverfront, Kite Museum, and Town Hall. I'm confident that you'll appreciate all of them. However, if you need any assistance, you can either call me or contact Mr. Thomas, and you wish him, asking him to enjoy his stay, and then you close the letter by saying, yours. Do you write truly? No, you don't write truly. You say yours loving. Okay, so quickly going through the informal format. Here, when your friend is at home and you're not at home to receive him, you greet him, you excuse him, you excuse yourself for your absence, give him the contact details of the concerned person in the local area, request him whatever requests you would like to make, give him further instructions about the house and the operation of the appliances, and then giving him some suggestions and recommendations, and wishing him all good luck and closing the letter. So this is how we are going to go about with an informal letter.